How to log in Charles Schwab account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can log in to Charles Schwab account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in to Charles Schwab account, all you have to do is simply launch the Schwab mobile application right here. And when you've done that, this is the interface you will be able to see. Now, if you don't have an account, you can tap on Get Started at Schwab option to create an account. But if you have an account, just go to this Login ID tab and just make sure to enter your login ID over here. If you want the app to remember your login ID, just turn on this toggle right here that says Remember Login ID. After that, just tap on the Continue button. Then once you tap on the Continue button, you can go ahead and then also enter other verification methods like your password or 2FA. Once you've verified that, you'll be successfully logged in to Charles Schwab mobile application. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.